Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a Genie. So let's understand what is a Genie. In the Plant SCADA, the Genie is a reusable graphic object or the group of objects that you can store in the Genie library. So instead of configuring every object individually, you can design a Genie once and reuse it across your project. So in the previous tutorial video, we saw how we can configure a Genie and we'll create this object for the Genie. Now, uh, now we will learn how we can configure a partial substitution. So what is the difference between full substitution and partial substitution? Let's open our graphic builder and let's open last we created up our overview page. Let's open the overview page. So now if you can double click here. Here you have to put complete tag of your object, your tag variables. Okay. For run you have to put different tag, and for the motor, auto and manual you have to put a different tag. Now assume if you have for one motor equipment like 10 to 20 different tag is there. In that case, you have to spend lots of time for each tag. Yeah, you have to carefully enter. Okay, so it will consume lots of time for you. So just do it smart way. What is our objective to do this tutorial? Like we'll just put our name of only the equipment that here. If you go here, this equipment name I just want to put. Rest other I want Jenny should automatically understand once I put the equipment name, the other items, whatever here, running auto manual stop, then no need to configure it again and again. So what is the benefit of this? For example, I have one pump. I will just enter this equipment name. That's it. So in that case, if I have 100 motors, within a few minutes, I can configure those all 100 motors. If I have more than 20, 30 tags. But if I will go in this full substitution method, in that case, first of all, very carefully, I have to enter the tag name. And after that, it will take lots of time. So let's see how we can use this partial substitution method to configure a Genie. So I will close it and click here. I will create a new Genie. So at least we can see the difference between previous method and this. So I will create a here one symbol. I will select the motor pump object and okay. Now here now what method we will use it, like for example if I will open my object. Okay, here if I will open it here and if I will copy this complete tag name just for the testing purpose, I will just copy it. Okay, I will go back, close it. Here I am creating a new Genie. So if I will double click it here, I will paste this tag name. Now what I want something should replace. I will just enter this here. This of the prefix, and after that, like if I have to 10 or 20 different tags, for example, running tag, auto manual tag, local remote tag, overheat, over temperature, breaker on, those all tag if I have. So this previous like my tag name, I will just replace and I will just put the name equipment. Okay, okay, that's it. And click apply and Okay. Now I will only once I will put my tag name here, then it will like this is a prefix tag I will add it, and rest other it will I no need to configure like lots of tag as in the previous tutorial will configure. So let's see the practically. So okay, apply okay, and now I will add for the auto and manual auto hold and okay, and here I will put the same tag, and now I will remove this tag. Okay, and I will again okay, I will just copy the same tag, cancel, and now here I will, and for this complete tag, what I will do, you must should have this tag name should be same for everywhere. Copy, and this completely I will paste it. Okay, now the document, the auto. So once the it hide when the value should be 0, apply. Okay. Okay, and same I will copy and paste, and I will put value should be 1, and the general it should show the M manual. I will align it top, little bit adjust. I will take here the one more tag that should be the name, and here I will put certain pump and I, and I will change little bit the size here, the center. Okay, okay. Now this will align the okay, perfect. I will just change the color because I'm using the black background, so the font color should be the white. Okay, perfect. Save it. This CS library, I will save it, and I will save the name. Type okay, okay, and close it. Now I will open my page, overview page. Now, for example, I will paste it the same. Now I will select, go ahead in the Genie and then select the type 2. Yeah, just now I created the Genie. So here you can see in the previous year when I created this Genie, it's showing me give me the two variable name. But here right now, it's not asking me to give the variable name. And here, what I will give, I will just give, for example, I will copy the complete, and here in equipment, I just have to give only this my motor equipment here, whatever the in equipment, you just have to give equipment. For example, you are going to configure the motor 1, you will just give the motor 1. If for motor 2, just you will just give the motor 2, and here we will put the our pump name, for example, pump 1. Okay. Now, what is the benefit? Benefit is like in Here in the full substitution, you have to each of the tag you have to configure it. But in this case, you just have to put the equipment name, rest other it will take care by the Jenny. So let's see. We'll save it and we'll run it. Close it. And we'll first compile our project. Our project is compiled successfully without any error. So our runtime is open now. Now here you can see we created this pump in the full substitution method, and this is for the partial substitution method. Now if I will change value from here, so here you can see in the both manner the result is same. That's why I did not remove this one. So if I will put it again, the y bit is true. Now pump is running, and if I will turn on it, so it's perfectly working the both. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a Jani using that object tag we created using the equipment editor or equipment type or the equipment instance. So that how we can reuse our tag in the Jani, and how we can reduce our lots of work, because if we will use the full substitution method, in that case for each tag we have to assign the address. But in using of the partial substitution method, in that case we no need to use the complete tag. We just have to give the our Jenny object, our graphic object, just give the name of our equipment, and it will take care of the other all of the objects. So thanks for watching this video.